In this video, I'm going to give you the straight facts. I'm going to show you why we're currently extremely close to alt season. I'm going to give you a lot of things here that you need to consider if you're thinking about exiting crypto, if you're in doubt about whether we're going to see alt season or not. So stay tuned in the video. All I ask later on in the video, if you appreciate this content, hit the like button and let's get into it. Guys, this is the weekly scale for Ethereum. So every candlestick on this chart represents 1 week. And why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because the weekly candle from the 5th of May of Ethereum, 48.6%, believe it or not, was the strongest weekly candle for ETH that we have seen since, I have to take you all the way back, that we have seen since December 2017. You will not find one weekly candle that was actually stronger than this one since December 2017. Let that sink in, guys. And yes, there was one occasion here back in, I think January 2021. We had one weekly candle, which was slightly less than the current one, came very similar. But this one, the strongest since December 2017. So let that sink in. This shows you that smart money is purchasing ETH like never before. And what do we know? We know from historical bull runs that whenever ETH gains in strength over Bitcoin, I'm also going to show you ETH BTC later on, so stay tuned in the video. But whenever ETH gains in strength, that is typically a precursor to a massive alt season, basically the early stages. So pay close attention to the signs, guys. Also, if I zoom out to the monthly scale for Ethereum, so this is the monthly scale, then we can see that the month of May, so this monthly candle from the 1st of May was actually Ethereum's strongest monthly candle since the bear market low of June-July of 2022. This was the only monthly candle from this entire bull cycle since the bear market low point that was a little bit stronger. Let that sink in, guys. Smart money is buying ETH like never before. This does definitely not look like the end of the cycle to me, guys. And I'm going to show you a lot more metrics that are super interesting. One of them is actually crypto, search term crypto on the Google Trends indicator on worldwide for the past 5 years. And what you can see is that the search term crypto is currently extremely low. We are at bear market levels, guys. Cycles don't end whenever retail interest is at bear market levels. Actually, bull markets begin whenever retail interest is very low, and bull markets end when retail interest is sky high, when you're seeing a lot of euphoria. Right now, guys, we are super low on this index. This is when you want to be bullish, when you want to accumulate, and at the peaks, you want to sell, you want to take profits. So this is another metric to take very seriously, guys. Another one, which is one of my favorites, is actually the altcoin season index or the Bitcoin season index. It's currently Bitcoin season 18 on the index. An alt season always starts whenever this meter is below 25. We're right now at 18. So an alt season always starts in this low region. A Bitcoin season always starts whenever we are deeply in an alt season. This is when you want to be bullish. This is when you want to be bearish. So this also, to me, does not look like the end of the cycle. As a matter of fact, this looks like the beginning of a massive alt season. So pay close attention to the signs, guys. The last thing that I want to show you, and this is maybe even the most important one, is actually ETH BTC. So ETH USD / BTC USD. And let's take a look. And we all know that ETH has been outperformed by Bitcoin massively, guys. Basically, since December 2021. ETH has been in a strong downtrend. But right now, we are starting to see something very, very interesting with the monthly candle from May once again. And let me actually do it like this. So this monthly candle from May against Bitcoin, 40%, as you can see. The last time that ETH did that against Bitcoin was actually this time here, this monthly candle. Not even, this wasn't even 40%. So I have to go back to the previous bull run top here, which was actually this candle, 70%. So basically, guys, since May 2021, we haven't seen a monthly candle that was stronger than the monthly candle of May 2025 for ETH BTC. This shows you that we have an overbalance in price and time right now. And I think this is the early stages of a huge reversal for Ethereum against Bitcoin. And this is super important because this shows you that altcoins are most likely going to outperform Bitcoin massively in the coming months. This doesn't look like the end of the cycle. This looks like the beginning of a massive alt season. We also have a higher low here for ETH BTC. So this is an excellent time to accumulate Ethereum or altcoins. Of course, not financial advice. Do whatever you want to do. I'm just showing you the data here. And this is all from a technical point of view. I can also go into on-chain. I can show you a lot of other stuff. For example, the Ethereum ETF is seeing a lot more inflows right now compared to the Bitcoin ETF, which also shows you that smart money is rotating into Ethereum. So I'm going to leave it here, guys. If you want to purchase or trade altcoins, definitely use my Pionix or Weeks referral links down below in the video description. Massive welcome bonuses. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, which I reactivated. My official account is down below in the video description. I'm posting a lot of market updates and a lot of other stuff over there as well. So check it out. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you very soon with another one. Bye bye.